Acura has just dropped a shadowy teaser for the RSX Prototype, and it's doing everything a great tease should, revealing just enough to fire up speculation while keeping the good stuff under wraps until Monterey Car Week. The automaker says the near-production prototype will make its global debut during the Monterey festivities, a perfect stage for a model that's supposed to signal the brand's next electric chapter. The single-image Acura release shows a tight, aggressive front end, wafer-thin headlights, crisp cut lines, and an illuminated Acura crest that feels like a direct line from concept sketch to showroom-ready design. The teaser reads less like camouflage and more like a promise. This is the performance EV concept, evolved and scaled down into something that looks production-ready. Design notes like the beaked nose and narrow light signatures make the RSX instantly recognizable as an Acura while hinting at a lower, sporty stance than most SUVs. What makes the RSX especially important for Honda and Acura is what it represents under the skin. Unlike recent Acura EVs that have leaned on partnerships, the RSX is built on Honda's first in-house EV architecture and will run Honda's new Asimo software stack, a move that shifts key hardware and software control back into the brand's hands. Acura also confirms the RSX Prototype will be the first vehicle produced at the new Ohio EV hub, underscoring how strategic this launch is for the company's EV push. If you followed Acura's EV teasers, the RSX isn't a total surprise. It's the production-minded heir to the performance EV concept the company showed earlier. Observers note the prototype looks very close to what might arrive at dealers, which suggests Acura is confident the RSX's styling and packaging are essentially production-ready. That gives us reason to expect showroom-spec materials and tech inside, rather than a wild, purely concept stage interior. Acura's public statements keep technical specifics quiet for now. Battery capacity, range, power output, and pricing remain unconfirmed, but the company has hinted at a late 2026 delivery window for the production RSX. Early reports also say Acura will position the RSX beneath the ZDX in the lineup, aiming for a premium, sporty compact coupe SUV vibe rather than a full-sized electric cruiser. Expect emphasis on driving dynamics, interior tech, and a premium user experience driven by its new Asimo OS. Why this matters? The RSX marks Acura's move from badge-engineered EVs toward fully proprietary hardware and software, a transition from partnered platforms to in-house capability that could change how the brand differentiates itself in the crowded luxury EV space. The prototype's near-production look, the Ohio production plan, and the software story together add up to a clear signal. Acura wants the RSX to be more than nostalgia or a nameplate revival. It's a cornerstone of the brand's EV future. For a vlog, open with the teaser image and those thin headlights, call out the RSX's role as Acura's first homegrown EV, then pivot to what we don't know, range, price, power, to keep viewers hungry for the full reveal at Monterey Car Week. Stick a date in the thumbnail, show quick clips of the performance EV concept, and tease the Ohio EV hub angle. That combo gives you history, tech, and a reason to hit subscribe before the big reveal.